Hi guys, AngeliaBliss here with Angiesartasylum. Welcome to my channel and thank you for being here if you have not yet been here. I am doing a collaboration with Janja Bremec. She went right before me. She's an amazing person. I'm really looking forward getting to know her a little better, and just the energy that she gives and her art is amazing. If you haven't checked it out, like I said again, go to her channel. She has Facebook, Janja Bremec. She's in a lot of the paint pouring groups on Facebook. So when you see her post, please check her out and give her a like and comment on her stuff because she's doing some amazing things. We collaborated on a St. Patrick's Day pour, and we picked the colors greens and golds, but we also used black, and I think she used a white. We did not plan on pouring on the same canvas, but that kind of happened. So, we're kind of interlinked like that. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy what you see. If you like what you see, please, stay a little longer, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so that you get notifications when I upload new content. I look forward to seeing you guys at the end of this video, and I will be back to show you the dried results. Enjoy. Hi guys, AngeliaBliss here with Angiesartasylum, and coming to you from East Tennessee, doing a collaboration with Janja Bremec from Slovenia. If you aren't subscribed to her channel, please do. And again, if you're coming to me from her channel, if you like what you see, then please subscribe, like, and comment on this video. I have a fail here. I tilted it too much, so I'm just mixing up some paints so that we can start over. I have bright aqua green, lime green, a Aztec gold, where's black? I think I might have already said that, and phthalo green. It is our, and I have a 5-chamber cup that I'm using. I'm just going to fill it up like I had it. I kind of like the way the colors were combining, so let me do that right fast. This is our St. Patrick's Day collaboration. We're a couple of days late, but we are here. Oh, I put 2 greens in. Well, let's see how that works out. Maybe I'll pour right on top of the black. Pour some black right there. Let's see if we get this black coming through it. So, all right, here's the cup. Messed up, but let's try it. Here we go. yet. Not very good at this, so as you can see. So I keep trying. Keep trying. All right, let's look at this. I'm trying to rush myself and I need to stop. All right, so I want down here. Pretty. It just stays together for me. I should have used a different canvas. Back. Bring it to me so I can see it. Quite pretty. Not exactly what I was hoping for, but it is pretty. I just can't seem to get it. If you have any suggestions, let me know. My hands are filthy. I'm gonna try it one more time with the black in it. And if this doesn't work, I will chalk it up and I don't know. I don't know what I'll do. Cry like a baby. Cry like a baby. I'm getting pain everywhere. You think these are easy until you try to do them. Okay. One more time. One more time. I wanted that in the middle. I don't know how to make that stay in the middle. It's pretty. How do I get that in the middle? Just turn it. Plant growing. Pretty. I think I like this one the best. Okay. All right, finally one that I like. Yay, I don't have to scrape, I don't have to pour over. I like the middle. Hopefully it stays together and intact, and I got enough paint off of it. Thank you guys for being with me through this learning process. As I said, if you guys like what you see, please consider subscribing to my channel. Janja, thank you so much for letting me be a part of this collaboration. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here. I will talk to you guys soon. We will see the dried result. I'm gonna go wash my hands now. Okay, guys, I have my table all cleaned up, and look at this. So pretty. You can see me in it. Here, yeah, let's go this way. So pretty. There you go. And I will show you guys a dried result here when it dries, just a little bit. Those lines are really detailed, so yeah, I like it. Tries and tries and tries until I got what I liked. It's pretty cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is the dried result of the St. Patrick's Day pour that you just saw wet. Look at it. Oh, I just love it. Looks like a plant growing out of the ground. But what I was trying to accomplish here was I was trying to get as much of that bright green on the canvas as possible. And I wanted to spin it out and kind of expand it a little bit so I could get maybe some cells to grow in the middle. And I finally accomplished it. I think it's really pretty. I love it. And the greens that I used were a great combination, and they contrasted well together. I really enjoyed collaborating with Janja. Janja, again, thank you so much for inviting me to do this collaboration with you. I really feel like I'm getting my feet underneath me on my channel and with my art form. So if you like this video and you found me through Janja, please subscribe to my channel and I don't know, just come along and watch me grow, and I would appreciate it. And as Janja does as well, if any of my followers, subscribers, found her through me and you watched her video in our collaboration, do the same. This is a community of artists trying to grow and, you know, have people see our work. So we would really appreciate the love and support that we give each other from our subscribers and the people that like what we do. So again, you guys take care and thank you so much. Be safe and stay healthy and just keep being you. Keep doing what you love to do, and everything works out in the end, I promise. Till next time, thank you so much for joining us. We had a wonderful time collaborating on this this event, and we thank you guys from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you so much. You are why we do this. We love creating art for other people to see, so thank you so much again. We appreciate it, and take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.